Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, standing in front of another fresh trade. This is a 2024 MasterCraft X24. This boat does come with the trailer. We sold this boat brand new just earlier this summer. Customer buys a brand new boat from us, it seems like every year now. Only has about 51 to 55 hours on the engine and comes with full transferable warranty. This boat has the blue gel flake with the gray bottom and gray hull deck. Like I said, it does come with this trailer as well. Come around to the back, let me show you some more features. This boat is very well equipped. We have the rear lounge seating with pop-up backrests. We have the transom remote with zone control. We've got the submersible swim platform, surf star, and underwater colored lights. Come on inside, I'll continue to show you some more stuff. MasterCraft does a great job of making a very comfortable boat. Take a look at the wraparound bow seating with flip-down armrests. Plenty of cup holders and RBG colored lighting up there in the bow as well. Nice center walk-through windshield with a billet aluminum pop-out wind air dam door. As you walk into the boat, you have the nice wraparound seating with lots of versatile seat options. You've got a pop-up rear-facing backrest here, subwoofer, more speakers. You have a digital display for the passenger to be able to control their seat heaters, the stereo, the RBG lights. Wraparound seating again, nice curvature on the backrests. You have a reversible center transom seat as well. And the same thing again as the seats wrap all the way around. Another pop-up backrest. You've got a easy to swing in wakeboard racks with quick clampers. An easy to deploy Bimini tower speakers and light. Going to the console, you've got the dual digital dash. Controls all the boat's features and functions from the two touch screens. And like I said, this boat is heated. So we've got heated seats, pull-out heaters throughout the cockpit. So even this late fall, early spring boating, you make it comfortable. Come by and see this boat.